You're getting all of them. This is amazing. We're going to test your Disney fashion knowledge with a style speed round. So I'm going to show you these cards, and they each have an iconic Disney fashion item on them, and you have to tell me which movie it's from.
Okay.
Yay. Also, bonus points if you can guess the character, too.
Ooh, okay.
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 All right, first one.
Cinderella, glass slipper.
Beautiful.
Belle, it's the dress and outfit that she wears when she's feeding the birds.
And what movie?
Beauty and the Beast.
Perfect. This is a hard one.
Clara, the purple party dress.
And the movie?
The Nutcracker and the Four Realms.
Amazing.
Kronk, Emperor's New Groove. Right?
Close. Actually, very close color scheme. It's more of a Greek style movie.
Greek. Oh, Hercules.
Perfect.
Ursula, Little Mermaid.
I love this necklace. What's this?
Peter Pan. Snow White.
Yeah.
Queen's Crown. Elsa, Frozen. Rapunzel, Tangled.
Girl, I'm so proud of you.
Jane, Tarzan. Pocahontas, her necklace.
Perfect. And that's it. You did great. Thank you so much.
Thank you.